Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Are you a content creator? YouTube is not recommending your video after much effort. Google is not recommending your video after much effort. This video is for you. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of YouTube not recommending your video on the search options. For example, you type particular video and your video is not listed among those videos. That is an issue. Or you go to Google to make a search of a particular matter and your video is not listed among those videos. That is an issue. So this video is going to teach you how to get your video recommended by YouTube and Google search, just like what you are seeing right there on the screen. As you can see, that is just a sample of what is going on. That is one of my video on this channel. As you can see, Google is recommending this video to people to watch. And when your video are being recommended like this, it yields you more views. And this will help you to monetize your YouTube account if you have not done so. So now, let's dive into this step on how you can do this. Now, stay tuned and let's share my screen. This is my YouTube homepage. Now, I want to show you what you can do so that you can achieve a good view and good recommendation from YouTube and Google search. Now, come to the search bar here. Click on it. Now, let's take, for example, as a tech guy, we'll do two scenarios, a tech guy and a fashionist. Now, just take as an example as a tech guy, you want to upload a video, a project you have been working on. For example, you want to upload a video, Techno Spark 20 FRP. Hope you are following, guys. FRP. Now, when you type it, you will see other options, other topic that you can use to title your video. But actually, we are not using these very topics. Yes, we are not using very topics. Now, see what we can do, the secrets. Now, go back to the T of a techno. Just add an asterisk, then put a space. Now, you see that the topic changes from the previous one. Now, this topic you are seeing here are the SEO that is top ranking the YouTube search and the Google search. So when you use any of these topics here, YouTube will recommend your video on the YouTube search. Google will recommend your video on the Google search. Now, let's take, for example, you are a fashion designer. Now, how to sew, or let's say you want to name a title for your cloth, sewing wet pockets. Now, you see other options. Now, let's apply the same thing we did before. Now, put the asterisk and put the space. You see it? So, it has given you the SEO that is top ranking the YouTube search and the Google search. So, when you take any of these titles and put to title your video, you're going to have a recommendation from YouTube and Google search. So, try this in your new video or your existing video and drop your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.